Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to the class. My name is Naren Kumar, and this is a recorded class, by the way. And there is an internet issue, that's why I'm doing a recording. Okay, so I have 10 questions. Fill in the blanks. Try your luck. Do you know the vocabulary? Can you answer the question correctly? Do you know the tone, the topic, the vocabulary? Check your understanding. All right. So let's read the directions first. But before we discuss directions, we have information. Platinum package offer 305 instead of type 555. This offer is for 2 days only, so go for it. And IPS PO Live classes has started already. Pre plus men's, pre class is different, men's class different, so go for it. And we have complete course as well. The Guidely Express video course, the best video course available because of the faculty, because of the tricks, the content, everything. And the best part, affordable. Or a very affordable, not expensive at all. And we have express marathon classes. Okay, 1st September, Amit Pandey sir must join. Then we have Sachin Modi sir. That's my turn. Go for it, English. I'm gonna teach pre or men's all type of question in those 3 hours. It will be super fun for revision. All right, new guys watching this video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and share with others. And always leave a comment. All right. And once I'm okay, right now I'm not the studio. That's why class record ho raha hai. That's why this is recorded class. Once I'm back in the studio, I will teach live on a smartboard. Okay. Till then, enjoy the show. So always read direction very carefully. In the questions given below, a sentence given with two blanks. That's one blank, another blank. Corresponding to each question, okay, two columns are given. Column 1, column 2. This is C2, this is C1. All right. With three words in each column. Okay, one word, second word, third word. Either 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Which combines a word from the two columns will perfectly fit in the two blanks to make the sentence contextually. Totally new pattern. I'm sure you will love it. Okay, new pattern questions. So this is my effort to bring the best content in the new type of all type possibility. I will introduce all type possibility. That's a promise. All right, because you want to be ready for the exam, the war. So we have a single sentence. While war is whatever, on the parochialism of concepts like border, security, and nation state, peace has, okay, war and then peace. There are two ideas. Has dig deep into the unconscious of philosophy and civilization. Civilization, philosophy, and comma. We need something. So in for first we have three suggestion. For second blank we have these three suggestion. All right. So out of three, which one will fit here, and out of three, which one will fit here? In मजा आया? Don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, did you like the pattern? New type of questions. Match the columns in fill in the blanks. Can you believe this? All right. Now take your time. So, what is the answer? I'll give you 1 minute. While the war is okay, echoed, okay, when echoes to highlight to say something, while the war is anchored, okay, and done. Anchor means to current to navigate on the parochialism of concepts like border. तो war जो fight किए जाते हैं वो war fight किए जाते हैं on the issues of border, security and nation state. Or peace has to dig deep into the unconscious of wisdom, theology or reasoning. All right. So peace or wisdom does not make any sense, or reasoning logic. The peace has to be dig deep in the unconscious of theology. Okay, branch of knowledge, study of knowledge. All right, philosophy and civilization. All right. So here will CE is a pair actually. C and E. First is correct answer. So these are ABSTRAT abstract topics. We need to read different type of newspaper articles to understand everything. So first question. Second, all right, stop the video in the middle and solve it, and then play the video for the explanation. I repeat, this is a recorded video because there is an internet issue. I'll be back in the studio. I will take the paid course classes and the everything live classes of 1st September onwards. The forest fire that in Bandipur Tiger Reserve last month devastated hundreds of acres of forest. तो फॉरेस्ट फायर आग जंगल में आग लग गई थी. दैट एक्सपेट्रिएटेड एक्सपेल्ड इरप्टेड. इरप्ट वोल्केनो इरप्ट होते हैं. और राइट, एक्सपेट्रिएट होते हैं जो वापस अपने शहर में लौट के आते हैं. और राइट, ठीक है. सो द फायर erupted in Bandipur Tiger Reserve last month, devastated hundreds of acres of pristine forest. All right, sophisticated now, provincial now. Pristine मतलब होता है pure forest. So C and D is a pair. Okay, D will fit here or C will fit here. In the first blank from column 1, C is correct. In the second blank, column 2, D is correct. So 4 is correct answer. Reading is very important. I repeat, some of you are reading, keep it up, never stop. In fact, read more. Reading is magical. Western democracies should strive to live up to their pledges. कैसी pledges होती हैं उनकी? Outlying, remote और repeated pledges. Okay, since 2017 global financial crisis, to return protection, to eschew, to complete protectionism and promote rules-based open and free global competition. Take your time. This one looks difficult. Let's see if you can get correct answer. Okay. There is a one difficult vocabulary, and that is ESCHEW, issue. All right. To stay away from something. All right. When you deliberately avoid something. I hope you got the answer now. So now sense पे जाते हैं. Western democracies should strive to live up to their outlying pledges, remote pledges or repeated pledges. Because Western democracies आते हैं, the US and the other European countries, okay, इन ये repeated pledges लेते हैं, प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं. All right, promises. All right, repeated pledges since 2017 global finance crisis to eschew. All right, to ignore, to avoid protectionism and promote rules-based opening. So C and E is a pair. Again, fourth is correct answer. Western countries, democracies, they take repeated pledges to avoid, to eschew protectionism. इसको avoid करने के लिए. और what they promote rule-based open free global competition. C is correct answer. Trade, science, technology, abstract topic, religion, spirituality, political, read everything. Question number 4. Very interesting topics. Very interesting topic. So, आप अपना स्कोर बताना कि आपका स्कोर क्या रहा. All right. The lure, the attraction of Border Road Initiative is BRO. Border Road Initiative BRI is largely to the informal nature of the deals Beijing negotiation with partner states with long-term and sense political strings. All right. It's raining outside. The sound of rain is beautiful. The lure of water organization is attributed. Attribute followed by to, that I know. Ascribed to, distributed to. क्या लगता है कौन सा वाला करेक्ट आंसर हो सकता है? क्या मल्टीपल पेयर भी बन सकते हैं? ऑलराइट. सो दिस एट्रीब्यूटेड तो पक्का जाने वाला है, मींस ए के साथ तो पक्का जाएगा. ए. ऑलराइट, तो आई विल वेरीफाई. इज एट्रीब्यूटेड लार्जली टू द इनफॉर्मल नेचर ऑफ द. ऑलराइट, तो ये उसको डिस्क्राइब करता है, एट्रीब्यूट टू द इनफॉर्मल नेचर ऑफ द डील्स बीजिंग नेगोशिएशन विद पार्टनर स्टेट्स विद attractive loan terms. So this is very easy to fit in here. Attractive loan terms. Okay, very attractive, very good. All right. So AE definitely makes sense. A is here and A is here. Now I have to verify BF and BE. All right. If BE is correct answer, go for this one. If BF is correct answer, go for this one. Ascribed all followed by 2 again. with inviting loan terms. Inviting loan terms means they are really attractive, they are really comfortable, they are really okay useful. All right. So this also makes sense. So BF and AE correct answer. See, this is totally new. Okay, this is short videos. Let's keep it short, and I will teach only 5 questions. All right, 5 में से अपना score बताओ. If you got all 5 of 5, please let me know in the comment section. Yes, attributive, ascribed, attractive, invitive. Similar words, and that's why they can. These two are similar words. These two are similar words. These two will fit here. These two will fit here. So answer number 3. This is correct answer. Okay. Last question. Okay, this was a short video, a recorded video. I hope you enjoyed. Satyagraha as an imagination has inspired abroad. Has inspired what? Conventions, prathaएं, रीति रिवाज, exemplars, okay, exemplary stories, surveillance, okay, नजर रखना. All right. What do you think? Including Vaclav Havel, Martin Luther King, Thomas Merton, Desmond Tutu, but it has lost its passion and what? Elixir, concussion, vigor. Vigor is power. Or elixir is pure form of the water. All right. चलिए, the pure form of something. Purity. All right. So take your time now. अब तो hint मिल गया आपको. ये तो पक्का आएगा. पैशन और विगर. पैशन और उसकी जो पावर होती है, अट्रैक्शन होता है वो. तो एफ तो पक्का जाने वाली. ये भी हो सकता है. ये और ये नहीं हो सकता. सी एफ और बी एफ ये वेरीफाई करते हैं. So has inspired exemplars. देखो, these are examples, and the exemplars is related to examples, the people who are the example. So definitely BF is a pair. All right. So these were totally new pattern. Okay, fillers. Column based. Column 1, column 2. Column 1 3 questions. Column 2. I will make sure I will come up with more questions just like that. If you want me, please leave a comment. You can always leave a comment. Sir, we want such type of questions. If you want me, okay, I'll come up with the detail on 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th of September once I'm back in the studio. I hope you enjoy the session. All the best. All the best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, and see you in the next video.